Assalamu alaikum, teens. Welcome to Islamic Quiz Tube. Today, we have a true or false quiz challenge covering everything from teenage boys and girls topics to Islamic myths, Quranic science, and happy family questions. And stay tuned till the end. We've got an interesting surprise waiting for you. Let's dive in. Wait, to help us spread Islamic knowledge, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Our goal is to reach 500 subscribers. Let's Bismillah. Hijab is obligatory for teenage girls. Absolutely true. Boys are allowed to play, but must maintain prayer. That's true. The Quran was revealed over 23 years. Completely true. The Prophet ﷺ forbade forced marriage. Absolutely true. Girls pray less reward than boys. No, that's false. It is sunnah to learn a trade or skill. Yes, true. The Quran has 114 chapters. That's correct. Seeking knowledge is wajib for every Muslim. Absolutely true. Teenage girls should not fast Ramadan. Totally false. Boys reach puberty earlier than girls. False. The longest chapter in the Quran is Al-Baqarah. Completely true. Saying Bismillah before eating is sunnah. Yes, true. Girls must seek knowledge like boys. Correct, true. Fasting on Mondays and Thursdays is recommended. Absolutely true. The Quran describes stages of embryonic development. True. The Prophet ﷺ encouraged kindness to animals. It's true. Women cannot attend mosques. No, that's false. Boys can wear gold rings. Completely false. Reciting Quran earns blessings even if not understood. Absolutely true. Modesty is part of faith. Yes, completely true. Girls need less privacy in prayer. False. Teenage boys are excused from prayer. Completely false. Touching the Quran without wudu is allowed. False. Using miswak before prayer is recommended. Absolutely true. Everything is created from water. It's true. Forgiveness is encouraged in Islam. Correct. Hijab covers the hair and neck. Completely true. Muslims face Jerusalem while praying. No, that's false. Charity can be given secretly or openly. Absolutely true. Backbiting is worse than adultery. True. Girls' prayers equal boys' prayers. Yes, true. Boys should lower their gaze. Absolutely true. Mountains stabilize the earth. True. Forced marriage is justified sometimes. No, completely false. Polygamy requires strict justice. Absolutely true. Fasting is wajib after puberty. Correct. Family disputes must be resolved with mediation. Yes, true. The Prophet ﷺ's first wife was Khadijah. Absolutely true. Hijra means migration. Correct. The Quran confirms previous scriptures. True. Divorce is disliked but permissible. Yes, Yes, true. The Quran does not mention iron. False. Girls can attend mosques. Definitely true. The longest surah is An-Nas. False. Marriage is based on consent. Absolutely true. Stars are missiles against devils. Correct. Lying is always forbidden, even to save life. False. Not always. The Prophet ﷺ encouraged good character. Completely true. Women can work in Islam. Absolutely true. The Quran was revealed in Arabic. True. Prophets cannot commit major sins. True. Sadaqah stops calamities. Absolutely true. Hajj must be performed once if able. True. Parents must be honored. Absolutely true. Praying in shoes is allowed. Correct. Fasting Mondays and Thursdays is encouraged. Absolutely true. Astrology predicts the future. Completely false. Girls get the same reward in prayer as boys. True. Muslims should seek knowledge. Absolutely true. The Quran contains scientific facts. True. Magic is from Satan and forbidden. Correct. The Quran is the final preserved book. Absolutely true. Women cannot recite Quran during menstruation. Women can verbally recite Quran during menstruation from memory, but not directly from the physical Quran book. The best charity is giving water. Correct. Abortion is always halal. Completely false. Backbiting is haram. Absolutely true. The Quran has no contradictions. True. Praying sitting without reason is allowed. No, that's false. Fasting Ramadan is wajib. Absolutely true. Modesty is part of faith. Completely true. Now, here's your bonus question. Eating crocodile, halal or haram? Let us know your answer in the comments or click here to see the answer. To help us spread Islamic knowledge, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Our goal is to reach 500 subscribers.